Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know, it's been a while, hasn't it? To be honest, I've found it a struggle to buy reasonably priced vintage sewing machines. Prices have gone really mad. And I'm easily distracted. I have several other projects going on and I'm yet to finish any of them. Also, I've become a little obsessed with houseplants, seeing as after 40 years I've discovered how not to kill them. My house is like a jungle now. It takes an age just to water them all. Perhaps I should start another channel. I've also done what I said I wouldn't do and invested in some grow lights, as it barely gets light in the winter here in northwest England. The only problem is my neighbours think I'm growing something I shouldn't be. Anyway, I digress. Back in the summer I visited a local car boot sale and spotted this crocodile case and knew there had to be a singer of some sorts inside. I really bagged a bargain as it was only £20. When I opened it up I discovered a near pristine 15K with the popular RAF style decals. A quick look on the Singer serial number app showed it was from December 1953. She came with an odd assortment of attachments, her original hand crank, and it seems to move smoothly. The underside was as clean as the top and was well oiled. All she needs is a little clean up. Let's see if she makes a good stitch, if I can remember how to thread it up. The stitch length lever works fine, though there's no reverse function on this machine. She sews as smooth as butter. So that's another machine to join the herd that I swore this year I was going to thin down. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. If you have, give it a like, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of all my future uploads. As always, thanks for watching.